Hi friends, and thanks for coming by the BrushFalls Studio YouTube channel. I'm Larry and I'm your painting guy today. So I have a 18 by 24 standard canvas here along with 6 colors in black today, not just 5. I got 6 today. This is amazing. So we're going to come over and have some fun. Okay, so today's plan is we are going to, I have 3 little cups here, and I'm going to layer all 3 of them and dump them on the canvas and stretch it out and see what we come up with. On this one, I love the way the rings stayed together in the middle pour. The other two pours were designed to be, I don't know what they were going to be, so, but it turned out really, really cool. Especially over here, the way the yellows and the reds are lacing together and forming a lot of cells. And over here we have, on the other corner, we have some lacing with the red and the blues and the silvers coming around. All in all, this turned out really, really fun.
It's like you did 3 techniques in one painting. I love it.
I love it.
That is so cool. This middle piece looks like a tornado or a rose, whatever you want to interpret. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, I love this one.
Leave me a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. Like and subscribe. And if you really like it, share it with others so that they can enjoy it too. With that, I'm going to say goodbye. Have a great day.